Now we are going to see about middleware. So Nest.js provides a middleware. So what is middleware means? It helps to run a code before the request is completed. For example, we want to create a middleware means we need to create under the source directory, or we need to create a middleware before the app, not inside our app. Outside our app, we not to create inside our app. So I am creating a middleware inside source, that is outside the app. So the file is middleware.js. So this file we need to export a function called middleware, and it has request method. So I just console middleware. You will see what is going to happen. So just open the terminal. So just I refresh the page. Now you can see the term middleware, because first, before rendering the home page, we go to middleware. That's why it is used to run a code before a request is completed. Then I will go to about page /about. Then we can see again middleware is run. So this is how middleware works. So what else we can do with middleware means, so this middleware is running for all the requests. So we can customize this with a if statement. So request dot I am using nest URL dot path name dot starts with /about. So for the about instance only, about segment only, we are going to make something. I just console logging about. So for other instance, we just return next response dot next. So that's for this about path only we are executing the middleware. For other request, we are just skipping the middleware, that is next response dot next. So let us see. For about, we get the about, and for home page we are not getting anything. So this is middleware happens. So we can also configure the path without using the if, by using a config method, config object. So export config, and inside we need to use a matcher. So in the matcher we can set the URL. So this middleware will run for this particular URL only. We can also use an array to define more URLs, like /user, like that. So there are also using a regular expression to set the matcher accordingly. For example, here you can see /about /storen path. So this will match /about /a and /about /b, but not /ac. And when using the star operation, we can have anything like A, B, C. So is 0 to 0 or more. When using question mark, is 0 or 1. When using plus, 1 or more. So we can use this matcher to match our URLs. Then what else we can do with middleware means, we can redirect a page when the user is entering without authentication, like returning a next response dot redirect new URL. We are redirecting to home page. So this new URL will reconstruct our URL. So this is the current URL and we are adding the path. So our new URL will be changed when we add the path. So our new URL will be the home page. So when we go to about our user, we will be redirected to home page. Yes, we will be redirected to home page. So what other things we can do means, they have examples using cookies or setting headers. We can set a cookie when we are going to visit a particular page, and we can set headers, and we can also send response to a page like the response.json or next response.json. Also we can set the trailing slash to true. So in Nest.js you can see, if I navigate to any other page, means user. So first I remove this. So if I navigate to any page, you can see there is no trailing slash. The slash is missing because that is Nest.js removes. So if you want to make a slash like this in your URL, we can configure in this middleware, like we setting the configure to true, and in middleware we can do the steps. So these are the things middleware gives. So it is used to check the authentication or run a code before the request is completed. We can set cookie, header, or redirect, rewrite, anything we can do in middleware. So for now the middleware is running in edge runtime, so we don't need to any change in the runtime. We see runtime in later part of this tutorial.